suot nito? Di ka naman nakakarinig. Bitawan mo nga ako!
What is bullying? Bullying is when someone repeatedly hurts, threatens, or controls another person on purpose. It can happen physically, verbally, socially, or online. And it often makes the victim feel scared, sad, or powerless.
Here are the main types of bullying.
Physical bullying, hitting, pushing, or damaging someone's things.
Verbal bullying, name-calling, teasing, or making mean comments.
Social bullying, spreading rumors, excluding someone, or embarrassing them in public.
Cyberbullying, using phone, social media, or the internet to hurt or harass someone.
In short, bullying is intentional, repeated, and harmful behavior toward another person who has a harder time defending themselves.
That's all, and thank you for watching.
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig.